Is your Excel file looking more like a digital disaster than a useful spreadsheet? Don't panic, because today, we're showing you how to bring those corrupted files back from the brink. First up, let's try Excel's built-in repair tool, Open Excel. And instead of directly opening your damaged file, click on File, then select Open. Browse to the location of your corrupted Excel file, but before you click Open, click the little arrow next to the Open button. From the drop-down menu, choose Open and Repair. Excel will then prompt you with two options: Repair or Extract Data. Try Repair first, and if that doesn't work, try Extract Data to salvage what you can. If the built-in tool doesn't do the trick, try reverting to a previously saved version. If you have auto recovery enabled, Excel may have saved a recent backup. Go to File, then Info, and look for Manage Workbook. Click on it and see if there's an auto-recovered version available. If so, open it and save it immediately. As a last resort, consider opening the file in another spreadsheet program like Google Sheets or LibreOffice Calc. Sometimes, they can handle corrupted files more effectively than Excel itself. To prevent future data loss, enable autosave and create regular backups of your important Excel files. A little preventative maintenance goes a long way. That's all for today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.